Hey kindergarten friends, it's Miss Moody and Mabel. We wanted to come on and we wanted to say happy last week of e-learning. We are so proud of all the work you've been doing, right Mabel? Yeah, we've been checking it together and we've seen that you all are working really hard to do your reading, writing, math, science, and social studies, and we can tell that you've been listening to your moms and dads, which is so important because moms and dads are working really hard right now for you and helping you learn, and we're so thankful for your moms and your dads, and we're thankful for you guys for working really hard. And we wanted to say that this is the last week we're going to be able to call you kindergartners. It's pretty sad, huh, Mabel? She's pretty sad about it. And we all wish we were in the classroom together celebrating and making new memories and sharing really special moments for the end of the year. But you've been at home with your family and you've made new memories with them and shared special moments with them. So I'm so happy that you've been able to do that. I've gotten a lot of really great pictures of Flat Miss Moody. She looks like she's having the most fun. She's been to the lake. She got a cute pink car. She went for a bike ride. She went sliding down some stairs. She's having a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see all the pictures you guys keep sending me of her adventures. I just want to say I'm so proud of you all. You've worked really hard this entire school year and worked really hard on your e-learning, and I am so proud that at the end of this week you're going to be finished with your kindergarten work, and you're going to get to enjoy a fun summer, and you are going to be ready for first grade. I'm so proud of you all. I can't tell you how much I miss you and love you. And I know that when we're back in school together and you're in first grade, I'm going to be waving at you in the hallway and throwing up I love you symbols all the time. I'm so proud of you all. I love you all, and I know that we have a lot more fun planned for our Awards Day Zoom, and we have a special end of the year gift for you all that Miss Graham and I will be dropping by. So keep up your good work this week on your very last week of e-learning. Reach out if you need anything. And remember, we're always here for you. Right, Mabel? And, wait, what? Mabel said to tell you all that she loves you and misses you very much and wishes she could see you all. So she's saying hi, love you, miss you, and we'll see you all very, very soon.